guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If it is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Welcome back all my amazing subscribers. Welcome back all my amazing supporters, all my amazing members. Shout out to all my amazing members. Okay guys, so as you guys have already seen the title, today we have Aldi shopping haul. Okay, there's one particular thing I like Aldi for. You guys know every Thursday in Aldi they have amazing new home wear, new home decors, new home accessories for your home. Okay guys, so this haul have some 1-2 home accessory or home something. Let's just dive right into this haul. Give this video a thumbs up guys, thank you so much. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the home accessories. So I found this, so even though today is not Thursday, actually today is Wednesday, okay, but I think because they have a lot of it. Okay, so I went to the Aldi very close to me, not the one I normally used to go to. There's one that's close to me, just that I prefer the direction of the one I used to go to. I feel it's a little quicker, I don't know why, but anyway, this one is not too far from me either. Okay, so this is cushions. So they have these 4 pillows. It's not cushion, pillows. 4 pillows, okay, from Slumber Down. Okay, so I picked because I need it for my kids. Okay, so this were £14.99. I've been looking to buy them, and I saw them for £14.99. okay, in Aldi. Okay, so that's the pillow, that's 4 in there. And also I got a duvet cover for the 2 of them. They need a duvet cover, so I also got this duvet cover, double duvet cover, 10.5 tug, so you guys can see. Okay, it's duvet, not duvet cover, duvet. Okay guys, duvet, double duvet. I bought 2 of it. One is $12.99. That's the other one there. Okay, so one is $12.99. okay guys, so let's move on to the food now. Okay, so this is the food. I didn't buy a lot of food, okay guys, didn't buy a lot of food, but this is the food. So I got some red onion. The red onion, I think they were about, I got my receipts from Aldi here. Okay, let me show you guys my receipt. Sometimes it's quite difficult for the camera to pick it. Aldi, there you go. Okay, so everything in this haul actually cost me £88.65. Okay guys, so the red onions is 65p. I bought just one, and I also bought the brown onion, which is let me see. Okay, so the red onions is 75p, while the brown one is 65p. So that's the brown, this red. Okay, and I bought 3 bread. The bread at 36p. I bought 3 of them, as you can see. Okay, and then I bought some bagels. The bagels are 79p each. I bought 3 of them. I bought 3 bagels, 2, 3. And also the digestive biscuit, I bought 3 digestive biscuits. They are 45p each, so you guys can see there's 3 of them right there. And then I also bought some hand wash liquid. Let's move across the table. You guys can see them over there. The hand wash liquid, they are 69p each. I bought 2 types, so you guys can see over there. And then we have the meatball, which is over here. Okay, so I bought 2 types, the small, the normal round meatball, and then this is the frank, I don't know how you call this one. Is it frank, whatever they call it. This one is bigger than this one guys. Let me not bite my mouth. Okay, they are £2.39 each guys. Okay, and then we bought some ketchup. So I'm just going around the table showing you guys according to the receipt how they scan it. So we got some ketchup. The ketchup is 65p for one. I got 4 ketchup right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 65p for one. Okay, and I also bought the barbecue sauce, which are 89p for one. I got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 89p for one. I also got mayonnaise, which are 75p for one. I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we also got what else do we have again? Potato waffles, which are here. I got 4 of them. You guys can see there's 4 of them there already. I just put them on top of each other. They are £1.9p. They used to be £1. In fact, they used to be 99p. Now they've gone to £1.9p. Yeah. So I got their smallest cooked ham, which is 79p. Okay, they are over here. 79p. Let me go around the table again and show you guys properly. Yeah, so they are 79p. I decided to just get 3 small ones of this. Yeah, 79p. There's 10 inside one pack. So yeah, I bought 3 of them. And also I bought some cheddar cheese. They are £1.19p. This cheese keep increasing every time I go shopping in Aldi. In the original price 99p went to £1.9p. Now it's £1.19. It just keep jumping. I don't know why this price of this cheese keep jumping. It's like every time I go there the price keeps changing. I don't know. I got 3 of them. Okay guys, and then we have family meals. That's what they wrote here, which is the Carbonara baked pasta. They are £4 at 29p. They used to be £3 something, but they're now £4 29p. Carbonara pasta bake. I bought 2 of them. Oh, my battery is blinking, guys. And then I got the sugar. I bought the juice, tropical juice. Let's hope my battery doesn't die before I finish, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Juice summer fruit, £1.19, which is this one, £1.90p. And then we also have the other tropical, £1.15p. This one here, £1.15p. And then I bought some water, spring water. I left in the car. The water is £1.59p. It's 24 inside. Then the hash brown that used to be 80 something p before is now £1.05, which is this hash brown. I bought 2 of them. They are now £1.05p. Strange, isn't it? And then I got my semi-skimmed milk. They are £2.15p. £2.15p each. Okay, and I also bought this ice lolly here. The ice lolly is it's a mixture of ice cream mix, £2.99. I think I saw it in one of my content creator that I always love watching, inside Stella Space. I think she bought it when I did a collaboration with her. I'm not sure, maybe one of her shopping haul. I think it's this one she bought. I just thought I would buy it and try it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. From Aldi, there's 12 inside. I've tasted one. It's not exact my kind of lolly, because I prefer the lolly with eyes, the ones that look like calipo. If you've tasted calipo, you know the kind of eyes lolly I like. Okay, I don't know if this one that looks like calipo actually feels and tastes like calipo. Calipo is like eyes. It's like crushed eyes with flavors or whatever. These ones, they are more like soft, chewy kind of lollies. But I don't know if these two here will be different. I have not tried them, but I've tried this one. Okay guys, so it's £2. It's £2.99. Okay, what else? I think that's all I bought for this haul, guys. I think that's all there is. Oh, the yogurt is £1.99. The kids yogurt, I bought 2. I bought 2 of the kids yogurts, £1.99 each. Okay, yeah guys, so this is everything on the haul from Aldi. Everything here is plus the duvet and the pillow. Everything cost me £88.65p. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this my haul. Please, if you do, don't forget to leave me a comment, give it a like, subscribe. Consider subscribing if you enjoy watching shopping hauls. I have a lot of shopping haul videos, so I'm sure you can binge watch. You will really enjoy watching them. And I always try to give you the price so that when you go shopping, you will know what to expect. Okay, yeah, so this is the shopping for today, for this week. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. Catch you guys in my next shopping haul or in my next vlog. Bye guys.